Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop, guys. Great car. I actually did some trading to get this car. Did something I don't normally do, trading in the dark or trading through just pictures. But I just got on the phone with the gentleman that I got this car from. I could tell he was a car man, just knows cars, loves cars. You can tell he just lives it and breathes it. And, you know, it was exactly what he described. And both of us, you know, we both know that cars aren't perfect. But we both expected a nice car, and we both ended up happy out of this. But great car. This car is about a 10-year-old frame-up restoration. This is your original color combination. It's Regal Turquoise and India Ivory. It's got the factory two-tone interior in it. Drivetrain is all done. It's got a 350 crate motor in it. It's got independent front suspension with tubular control arms and adjustable coilovers. 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Pretty car. Love the color combination. There's a few little things that you can kind of pick in the paint. Again, none of them are perfect, guys. All these cars have something, but very, very nice car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, it's, you know, probably 10-year-old resto. You can see a little crack there, little touch-up mark, but very, very nice car, guys. And I'll tell you what, he was 100% right. Touch-up mark there. This thing runs and drives excellent. I wouldn't be afraid to get in this thing and turn the key and go anywhere. Really nice running and driving car. Pretty color combo. Car's got a good solid body. We got it underneath, took some good pictures of the underside. So there you go. Glass is nice. Just a good car, guys. Again, you see this little touch-up mark. Again, I don't want to pick the car apart, but we send 80% of our cars, guys, we never meet the people. So I try to, you know, show you the things that I see or you can see. And see, the car's nice and flat down the sides. It's got 15-inch Cragar SS's all the way around it. BF Goodrich Radial TAs. Good car. Again, it's got adjustable coilovers, tubular control arms, power front disc brakes. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission in it. This is a 350 crate engine. I think he said it's got 9,300 miles, which it shows on the odometer since he did it. 4-barrel Edelbrock intake, GM Ramshorn exhaust manifolds, power rack and pinion steering, power disc brakes. It's got a MSD 6A box on it. You can see it's got a very nice aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Oh, Jay said it's got all the factory braces still underneath, so this has never been a rusty car. That, you know what I mean? This car's nice. I believe all your stainless is original. You kind of pick at it a little bit, but pretty doggone nice. These are cool. It's got LED lights in the mirrors. Factory two-tone interior. It's got all new carpet, and they just left the cover over top to protect it. Again, if you want to nitpick, you can see it's got the original stainless still inside. It's got an Ididit tilt column in it with a billet steering wheel. Of course, your chrome bows for the Bel Air. I love these. I think these are so cool. It's got SoCal tach and gauges. Hopefully you can see it. 9301 on the odometer in there. It's got the factory AM in the dash. It's got an aftermarket sound system in the glove box, tissue dispenser. It's got dual exhaust, factory rear end. This is the original steering wheel all wrapped up. There's touch-up paint, factory jack with the spare, some extra seat belts. This is all the paperwork on the car. You can see it's all, I ripped that up too much, but it's all body color in here like it should be. I said it's got an all-new wiring harness in the car. Oh man, I've had a bird hit us. Again, we got some good pictures of the underside for you. Pretty car, man. I dig the gauges. I thought those were so cool. Original door lock knobs, those are pretty cool. And like I say, this thing drives outstanding. Turn those on, Jay. You think you can see them? There you go. Isn't that cool? Tach works. There's your radio in there, all your gauges down there. Okay. See, they're all working. Sorry. Fuel gauge works up here. LED tail lights. See that one over there? Backup lights. Move your selector, Jay. There they go. They work. Ooh, sorry. Get a little head. Do that again, Jay. Sorry. Get a little ahead of myself.
Well, I don't know if I can figure out how to turn the channel.
Oh, remote. Oh. Station. Well, we got power. There you go. Blower motor, Jay.
Yes.
Radio and blower motor both work there, guys. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers work. That you don't see much. LED front lights there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, our Instagram page, or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Great car, man. Bunch of new stuff hitting the site, guys. Make sure you keep track of it. Have a great day, guys.